You think say Regina Daniel, you think that her husband being spec? That's the God of 11th hour. Do you know that Regina Daniel was in teenage church 1 week? The next week she joined Christian Mothers. Spirit of grace. That her friends now they can't greet them after church. You go to tap them for back. How is your mommy? How is your
He shut it down in Lagos. It is first show in Portharcourt. So ladies and gentlemen, I need your energy. This is about to go on camera. I'm about to introduce to you one of the funniest men alive. His name is so short, but his content is so big. Make some noise for the one, the only M.O.P.
Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I want to say thank you all for coming out to support me. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. And I'm not going to understand. Thank you so much. Some people, they think I know be Portharcourt boy. I'm a Portharcourt boy. I was born and bred here. Number 33 up Borough Road, Artillery. That house after Mr. Sweet. If you know Mr. Sweet, make some noise. And I plain to you. That house after Mr. Sweet, Nadia then born me. That place where women they roast bole. Yeah. Understand? Nadia then born us. So childhood, some of my mates then they here will grow together. You know. That time we'll grow with lantern and hand fan. No light, no AC. If you go to sleep, your hand go to walk, you go to find yourself until you sleep, don't carry you. Your hand go come the lamp. Now they grown. I make most of us from small age now don't begin to snore. Because of lamp smoke. That time we have a pleasure park that time at dustbin when they go through it dustbin. We can't do for near dirty they discuss. Now it makes some of us make dirty decisions. I tell you, man, boy, he went along, we get patience. Some of us 6 children with papa and mama for parlor and room, you know, until we become somebody. You get me? So patience, he help. You know that time when we say when we come to turn teenager. We as a young boy, you will get condom for your wallet for 3 months. You never feel use them. You go spoil, you go buy another one. You just a rush, patience. Nah, if you knock for 3 months, you never even see condom. You know? Why you the rush? Why are you running? Patience. Lagos traffic, now I go show you patience. You don't ever did lane before. You they move, the lane can't stop. This lane, be like say move, you enter here. As you just enter here, this one just move. You can't look there and say they don't deserve their position. Now patience, Lagos traffic, my people don't go Lagos here, no. If you just move for Lagos lane, you just your lane, they move. The next minute, you know there any lane. Yeah, go like this here. As you put your right traffic, get to that guy remove. You put your other guy, so where they your lane. Where the lane? Have patience, man. You understand me? I'll be Igbo boy, first of all. If you know you're here and you're Igbo, make some noise. Proud. Because anywhere where you go, where Igbo man no there, you need to run. Because they are no good. Because one time for Abuja, even for Nyanya, when they throw bomb, for Nyanya, Igbo man, they say canvas. Buy your canvas, mark Igbo bomb. The first one, they say pure water. Onye battle song on me, onye. The condition, see fuel now. You go reach where you go enter fast food now to just buy meat pie. You go see where they write meat pie with NEPA 200. Yeah, they go write meat pie with Gen 350. He's coming there. Then the old people we get very delicate position. The other day one board plane, 2 pilots, they argue. That one they tell us people see now people we won't fly there, they argue. Say, boy, leave me a beg. I don't they fly for 6 months now. I never crash any plane. And they owe me. Oh, I'm not flying, I know before land to take. Okay, we need to go again. Rugged Nigeria. My guy open house on Sunday. EFCC close on Monday. House where they warm on Sunday, sour on Monday. My God don't tell her now. No live in Nigeria if you chase your dream. Oh. For abroad, now if you chase your dream, once you come to Nigeria, if you say they chase you for dream. You tell her now, you know listen. Who be that picking there? At this age, you don't become comedy show. When I say like you only burial. All the polo we get for childhood. Now burial gone so soon. Adieu. See, different language. Now we can't enter this career, you know. I follow my guy. We can't do that. I've been doing it before I go Lagos, yeah. They go traditional marriage. I go one. All these DJ, see DJ now, DJ Dopes, DJ Dopes, DJ Fresh, DJ Spiff. They here. Their sound is clear, microphone clear. I go MC wedding for Njaba. Small wedding, you know. The guy carry 16 speakers. At the end, only 2 they work. When they make announcement, and then they get one mic, we go get one big foam on top. You dare not remove it. Different mouth out of that mic. I can't they call women to come collect their food. And they sound like ghosts. And they hear my name. And they hear myself. People. Off. Njaba. Women. Association. The guy comes over, no cross here. He be native doctor. Do your mic well. And all those weddings, the way they do for East there. If you do wedding, you know how much be whore now. You know how much be drink. You know how much be. It's expensive. All those village women, make them they come. Men we go even do you well. They come there outside. They wait for when couple they dance. Make them go spray, go out. Old women go just full everywhere. Children they drag souvenir anyhow. I am see one wedding on Saturday. Couple dance. Allow them. Women just line up. See they won't give gifts. Which kind gift? Motor pistol, one whole pistol. What is this? Now one woman won't vex me when I look that gift where I lose in a packer. And the souvenir in a packer. You just come to exchange the color of your I know that for all this wedding, but we don't see something for this MC work. Why he be say everybody go spray money for wedding? You see Old Boys Association, alumni, they too like dance. They know they spray and they come like they come say it's our wedding. You dey craze, come the round couple. Like say you want to initiate them. You go see that one where some people pass for class. You come they hail them. Go Kenny. Go like this. They tell you how much they rent for. You go lose down step. Crazy man. I don't know what this since I come this Portharcourt. This patch rider they know too they misbehave. If you don't stay Lagos, you go understand this patch rider. Baba, the way they overtake. Then go they rush like saying a better thing, then they go deliver. Now he go and vibrator. Moto knock one for Lagos now. As the boy they drive, moto knock him 4 here in box, scatter here, 2 vibrator, just the charged ones. We come with power bank, my brother. You know. Guy. And then Igbo and alcohol. Which one they high pass? Which one they make him misbehave pass? No, Igbo they coordinate you. Abi? Alcohol they make you. Because 2 guys just go one club, high, come outside. The guy, the first one don't go car. Come notice saying guy they talk to one guy. Now I ain't go meet and so boy, you should they waste time. Go out. He say, no now, your wife did now, make her carry girl now. How much they talk? She say 70,000. I them price now, you know go take 50. The girl say no. I the guy down so boy, leave this girl, when they go house, I go help you talk to my wife. That 50,000 you bring her with and cook soup, all of us to see. Yeah! And then bring it down. And then I came to Portharcourt because this comedy we don't try. Now I know they trek again, I need to enter Uber again for Lagos, you know. I go one competition where they rob me. And that competition I think no say politicians no go ever better for this life. When we did that competition, you know my brother. We did that competition like this, do close to the finals. Donald Duke come visit us. Come say waiting person we want to take care of for this competition now who carry second. Say even person we carry first go envy who carry second. For the first time, see our boys they pray, Father, for the first time let me be the second person. For the now here they now. I know see Donald, I know see Duke. Donald dupe me. Donald dupe. And now I came to Portharcourt. I said, make I still enjoy the flow. Man, enter bus. You know, the Portharcourt vibe, everything. I can't dey inside this bus. We can't stop. Husband and wife won't enter. Now 2 chances they for bus. 1 for back. 1 for that front we conductor the day. So the man enter front, enter that back, and wife come They there. You know, say that place normally na conductor seat, but they sell and collect the money. They don't load bus finish. She we are conductor begin tell the woman, madam, open your leg. Because the woman sit down, the conductor go sit down, the woman go open leg, in one leg go enter here, you know, before him. The man they wonder, say, madam, open your leg. We see conductor they tell my wife. Now when a wife use slow voice, tell the man, say, take am easy, I never even lock door. What is that? No before. You know, get the wash, I will go treat you well, go full and shirt away. You do like you throw for you, call and clean face.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.